Most people don't fail at saving because they're bad with money. They fail because life happens and they weren't ready for it. So today, let's fix that. Let's build a plan that still works even when everything goes wrong. By the end of this video, you'll have a system that helps you save money, no matter what life throws at you. It's a design flaw. The real reason saving feels hard isn't discipline, it's design. Most people build systems that collapse the moment life gets messy. Let's fix that. Commit to saving first. Pick one rule: I save something every payday. No exceptions. Even if it's small, even if it's messy. 'Cause skipping just this once breaks the rhythm that keeps you safe. Saving something, anything, tells your brain, this is who I am now. 2 layers of safety. You don't need one giant savings account, you need 2 layers of safety. Your first layer builds your future. That's your long-term savings or retirement fund. Your second layer protects it, your emergency fund. That's the money that keeps your life steady when something big happens, like losing a job or a medical emergency. It's your financial shield, not your fix-it fund. But here's the step that changes everything, the one that turns your plan from fragile to unshakable. Your emergency fund protects your life savings. Your sinking funds protect your emergency fund. Sinking funds are small, intentional accounts for the things you know are coming. Car repairs, insurance deductibles, birthdays, holiday spending, even replacing that laptop that's barely holding on. Those aren't real emergencies, they're just future expenses with a date attached. And here's the part no one tells you: you don't build all of this overnight. It's a journey. You start small, one fund at a time, and each step pays you back in peace of mind. Because the dividends of preparation aren't just financial, they're emotional. When you plan for what's coming, your emergency fund stays untouched for true crises. And you stop feeling like you're always starting over. You're not reacting anymore, you're prepared. That's when saving stops feeling like survival and starts feeling like freedom. Quick question: do you already have an emergency fund, or are you building it now? Drop future or now, I'm curious where you're starting. This isn't about saving money, it's about staying ready. You become the kind of person who always has options. And that confidence, that's what real financial peace feels like.